If there's anything that we learned from the pandemic, is that the entire world has become digital and everyone is now online. And you want to make sure that you look your best when you're online. So in this video, I'm going to explore how you use your iPhone or your smartphone to be transformed into a webcam. You don't want to miss this video. Stick around to the end. Hi there, my name is Eric. I'm a violinist and content creator. Thanks so much for coming across this channel. I do violin tips, vlogs, and how-to tutorials, and occasionally I do product reviews. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notifications for when new videos come out. That's when you get notified for those videos. So to be honest, not everybody has a good webcam, or not everyone has the ability to shell out another like $150 or $200 extra to be able to purchase a webcam, like a decent, high quality, high definition camera. But you can use your iPhone or your smartphone for using the camera in the smartphone itself. And you know, the lens in the cameras these days are just phenomenal. So there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't try to do this. And I use my iPhone as my webcam for when I teach my violin students. So I just want to provide value to the YouTube community to share my thoughts on not only how you can sound good on Zoom music lessons, but also to look good. And I want to recommend this app called EpocCam App. And I'm just going to talk about iOS since I'm an iPhone user, that you can download this in the iPhone store, or you can download this in the App Store. And it's really, really convenient because you can use the USB, the Lightning, straight into the computer, and you're able to get a nice camera. And I'll also provide a link to the Epoch HD Camera app down below. And I want to be forward with you that I'm not getting a commission off this video or this app. I just want to, again, provide value to my audience today. And there is a small price for this app. I believe the last time I checked, it was like $7.99 or $9.99. I'll leave the pricing, the actual pricing, in the description below. But again, you're investing $10. You're not just spending it, you're investing, so that way you make sure you look good for your business. You don't want to have like a bad picture quality when you're on the Zoom lessons or Zoom meetings, whatever this may be. So again, the Epoch HD camera, I'll provide a link down below for iOS. And now let's actually take a look at what the difference is in the different camera, like in my laptop and in my iPhone. All right, so right now what I'm doing is I'm recording off my HD camera, or supposedly HD camera, on my laptop. So you can see that it's very grainy. There's a lot of like noise in the background in terms of the image quality. So we definitely don't want to use that because it doesn't make us really look good. I do have a light that helps improve my my appearance, of course, and just to give you an idea of what the if I have right over here, yeah, so night and day. If you have the light, I really, really recommend it. And again, I'll leave a link in the description for you to get a hold of that ring light. Of course, the entire video now is about trying to get a good image quality from your iPhone. So I already have the Epoch HD camera app set up. So let's go ahead and switch cameras. So huge difference when you utilize the iPhone camera. So there's a lot more depth, there's a lot more true tone colors, and you don't see that much graininess or noise in the background when it comes to the video. So I truly recommend this app, and it really has helped me kind of level up my game when it comes to online Zoom lessons for music, because even though I have a microphone and the microphone really helps, the video also really, really is important. And to be clear, I have a cable going from my iPhone into the computer, so that way there's a faster connection. The app also offers wireless transmission into Zoom. However, I don't recommend it just because it's a lot slower, and whenever you speak, the video is kind of delayed, so I really don't want to do that. So there you have it. It's a huge difference between the HD camera that's in my laptop and the camera that is going off my iPhone. So you want to make sure that you really try to get the iPhone or iOS app to really get the best video quality for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And lastly, please make sure to hit those bell notifications for when new videos come out. It helps me as a content creator to provide more videos for you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.